Today is the day. The day I take down Vadim. I've always wanted to be president. What could go wrong? It ain't much, but it's not Ubisoft servers. I think I will follow the train to the main city. Why are there so many guards on the railway? Ah yes, the lava, this will make my life easier. Man, Lada always breaks fast. Oh look, some letters I must read. Is it me, or is this town getting from bad to worse? Damn, I always wanted to AWP spray control in CSGO. I love how Mikhail Kalashnikov's statue is here, proud on display. Why is the tank in the middle of the city? Wow, is this the famous Russian tank that was so quantity over quality that Japanese people threw Molotovs at it and the alcohol would go down the cracks burning the driver? Not nice. Why is there a pig in the city? Now I just have to kill the remaining guard and talk nicely to Vadim.
You thought it was another guard, but it was me, Vadim! Are you approaching me?
I I can't beat the crap out of you without getting closer.
I have to catch my breath. How about you raise my Russian comrade driver, Danil Kvet? You made a big mistake, my friend.
Выполнить заказ 66.
And now for the conclusion, or rather the punchline. Some people get high ranks not because they've earned it, only to fill the spot, so that bad people can't have the power. Putin was one of them. Help me, I accidentally restarted the USSR.